Hey everybody, it's Cindy here, physical therapist with Adaptive Equipment Corner. We're so excited to announce that we've upgraded our website at aecorner.com, so check it out. This is going to allow us to continue with our mission, and that is to give everybody their best opportunity to achieve the highest level of functional independence possible. So we're going to do this on our website through resources, information, and education. So check out our blog page. We're going to keep blogs updated on our videos. We're going to add additional information as it comes up. We're also going to have a newsletter, so make sure you sign up for that. This will keep you informed of updated material. We're also going to do an occasional drawing for a free product, so check out that and let us stay in touch with you that way. We have a product page on our website, so all of the products that we've used in all of our videos for demonstration, they're listed on the product page, so you can check out further details on any of those that you need for that as well. We have a resource page. We need your help, your continued help on the resource page. We're trying to build this so that people can find resources in their local communities of discounted equipment, free equipment, so everybody can get the equipment that they need. So check that out. Leave us information, anything that you've got. We would really, really appreciate it. Again, we're really excited about this. We want your interaction. We want you to visit us on aecorner.com and be a part of this community. Thank you so much for supporting us. That's it for today from Adaptive Equipment Corner. Don't forget, if you can't do it, adapt it.